The Afterpay card lets you shop at physical stores using contactless payments. The total is split into 4 interest-free installments. Steps to set up and use the card: open the Afterpay app and tap the In-Store or Card tab. Select Pay, In-Store, and tap. Set up the card. Follow the instructions to add the card to your digital wallet, such as Apple Wallet or Google Wallet. Enter the SMS verification code, if prompted. To find stores, open the In-Store tab in the app to browse nearby retailers that accept contactless Visa payments. When paying, tell the cashier you are using a contactless payment. Open your digital wallet, select the Afterpay card, and hold your phone near the card reader until approved. The total is split into 4 payments. The first is charged immediately, and the remaining 3 are due every 2 weeks. Limitation: the Afterpay card works only at physical stores that accept contactless Visa payments. It is not for online use. Best for users who want to split in-store purchases into interest-free payments.